How to allow Viber to automatically save media to your gallery. So let's get started. First of all, simply open the Viber app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Viber account. Now once inside the Viber app, all you have to do is tap on the three dot more icon option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then there you'll get to see settings option available. Simply tap on the settings. Once you tap on the settings, you'll get to see media option available there. Tap on the media. Then you'll get to see save to gallery option available. Toggle the switch on. And that is it. Once you switch that on, your all the photos or media will automatically be saved to your gallery. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.